to my channel. So today's video is going to be super exciting, at least I hope so. But yeah, I'm really excited for this video and hopefully you guys are too. So this video is going to be a Jeffree Star Cosmetics unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, as that helps me out so much. And thank you guys so much for supporting me like all of these years. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy and or want to see any tutorials featuring what I got. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna try and open this bad boy up for you guys without showing like where I live. But y'all, can we just like, what? Like, oh my god. Like, I always feel like Jeffree Star just goes like above and beyond like with his packaging. So yeah, also in love with the tissue paper. I think I might like hold on to this and make like use it for like Mod Podge or something like that. So I'm just gonna put this guy over here. And this is pretty sure just like my order paper. All right. So first thing that I got was, of course, I had to pick up the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. This bad boy retailed for I think $52, and I'm just obsessed, like obsessed. So I'm going to not ruin this, but y'all, can we just look at the packaging? Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Ugh. Alright, so I'm gonna open up this guy. So his unicorn for this guy has been like a little bit different than the ones in the past. So there's like little tabs right here that you just have to pull out. And I'm gonna do that very carefully because I keep all of my Jeffree Star palettes inside the unicorn. So pretty. It's even prettier in person than it was like on the video. Oh my god, guys. So this is her. Oh, just look at that detail. Look at it. So I'm also going to keep this guy on here because I don't like, it's been proven that like this picks up fingerprints. So yeah. Oh, I love it, guys. Like even just like the metal, like this feels like luxurious. So if you guys haven't seen the video, so how you open it is this little guy right here. So you just push it and she opens up. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Of course we get like an awesome size mirror, but y'all, look at those colors. Oh my god. I'm in love. I am in absolute love. Especially that shade called Money Heist. Like it definitely, like on the video, like it looked like almost like a dirty type gold color, but it's definitely a gold with like green reflex in it. Ugh, I love it. I'm in love, guys. So, ugh, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna put the little plastic film back in there. But, oh, I'm in love, guys. I am in love. Alright, so next thing that I got, so I actually only got two things. And if you guys have me on Snapchat, you guys already know what I got. But this palette literally, so I ended up getting two palettes. So this palette literally took me months to decide on whether or not I wanted it, and finally I just broke down and got it. Mainly for the packaging because of how gorgeous it really looked. And I really don't have anything like it in my collection, and since I was purchasing the Blood Money palette, I already have Blue Blood and Blood Sugar, so I'm assuming you guys already know what palette is coming next. We also got the Bloodlust palette as well. And I'm not really too sure about like how I'm gonna store this guy, but it just looked really, really pretty online. And oh my gosh, that is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys haven't seen this packaging, it's an all velvet packaging, and yes, it is in like a hexagon type shape. I am very thankful that this packaging came in this like type of like unicarton, because if you guys can see, it has like ledges right here, so it kind of helped like the palette from like being like knocked around, because FedEx doesn't know what they're doing. But y'all, this palette feels so luxurious. It is gorgeous. The emblem is gorgeous. And we are just going, so with this one, you just have to like open it to release the clasp, because like you can't like open it on its own, so you have to like pull it out and then lift it. And oh my goodness, I am so, that one's like really thick too. I am really, really, really excited for this palette. I always feel like they look so much different in person, but y'all, she's gorgeous. Like I said, I really don't have anything like this in my collection, so not like I needed more eyeshadow palettes, but you know. So now that I'm like looking at it, so hang on, this shade right here that's called Executioner, can you guys see like the purple reflex? I'm playing that, you guys can. So there's purple reflex in this, or glitter, sorry. And I almost wonder if it's like the same black shade but with different glitter. Oh my god, it totally is. Yeah, because this one is literally black with green glitter. So yeah guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I literally have like the whole entire Bloodlust collection, well, and eyeshadow palettes anyway. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my little mini haul. And yeah, if you guys want to see any looks, I'm definitely going to be posting some looks here soon. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to see those looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!